Hello, today I show you how to download and install Schneider software EcoStruxure version SCADA expert. EcoStruxure version SCADA expert formerly is called Visual XL. You can download from the Schneider website. Go to the utility form, click EcoStruxure version SCADA Expert 2023.1. This is a very new software. Last year, August, it released. Okay, click here. So, you want to download the Schneider software, you have to register and log in. Okay, I logged in already. Let me see. Here it's 2023.1 download. You can click here download and here download. See, you can download. I download already. Okay. So let me show you how to install the software. We click here. Go to disk 1. Click setup. English. Yes. Oh, first reading this one. Okay. Yes. Yes. Next. Okay. Here install which gateway driver. Install legacy communication drivers. Okay. OPC factory service. Okay. Go down. Yeah. Okay. Now becomes finish. We go try. Okay. We can use this one as 40-hour evolution model. Here. Okay. This software simulates Ninja Soft Web Studio. So we can create a new one. Screen here. All this stuff. Okay. Next, we talk about how to communication with. Okay, thank you very much.